Good day, everyone. I am Francesca Abad. For short, you can call me Cheska Abad. As my thesis topic proposal entitled as Remaking the Obsolete, Sustainable Revitalization of the People's Park in Tagaytay into Philippine Space Agency Headquarters Complex. Human curiosity has incessantly grown along with the space's accelerating expansion over time. This very curiosity as what was outside of the Earth, the relationship of celestial objects, the stars' distance from Earth, and so much more. Based on the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs list, 13 out of 48 countries in Asia have space agency funded by the government, and only 6 are in Southeast Asia. Despite its low percentage of implementation, space agencies by the government, the Philippines is among the countries with a national space agency that was established recently. According to Nagay et al., being a neophyte in the field of space provided the country an opportunity to understand and analyze existing space policies, developments, and progress from other successful and emerging space agencies. It allowed the PhilSA to leap bounds and progress more rapidly than expected from new agencies in a short period of time with limited resources. It is around this period that the Philippines should take advantage of its growth and further expand its agency in science and technology to enable sustainable space programs. The 6 key development areas or KDAs that PhilSA focuses on: first is the national security and development. Second is the hazard management and climate studies. Third, the space research and development. Fourth, the space industry and capacity building. Fifth, space education and awareness. And lastly, sixth, international cooperation. To predict climate studies well, PhilSA must be situated in a location with high altitude to offer clear skies and less pollution. With this consideration, the People's Park in the Sky in Mount Sungay, Tagaytay has an altitude approximately of 712 meters above sea level. This decaying space in Cavite is part of urban deterioration that is long a major problem in the country. This leads to uneven development that dramatically distinguishes the social topography of the new urban landscape. This paper aims to propose an expanded Philippine Space Agency headquarters to cater wider space activities and programs and boost the 6 KDAs while considering another problem that needs to be addressed: urban decay. This paper will determine the best method of adaptive reuse to revitalize People's Park in the Sky, which is a critical step in a sustainable redevelopment in the country. Additionally, this project aims the following objectives. First is to identify the most appropriate innovative approach to revitalize an obsolete building, the People's Park. Second is to assess different strategies for sustainable development to remake the obsolete. Third, to provide an avenue for researchers to advance scientific and technical limits in the Philippines. And lastly is to design an iconic landmark for the Philippine astronomy program. And I thank you, and that's my presentation.